of a boy who is in love with a girl named Gire. Presumably Gire is the colloquial meaning of the English name Grace. Gire ndinokuda nemoyo wose mwanawe. Gire, I love you with all my heart. We hear from the guy's conversation that these two lovebirds have been in each other's lives for a while now. The guy loves Gire so much that most times he gets anxious upon the possibility of Gire leaving for another lover. So scared about that possibility that he compares it to death. Ndamirira zuva rekufa nekundiramba kwako iwe Gire. Meaning that if there are two things I dread the most, it's death and the possibility of you, Grace, leaving me for another lover. In this song, Dembo is encouraging those that are in love that love is between two people. When you have your challenges in marriage or relationships, be careful who to share with those problems. Some people will actually give you advice that is detrimental to your own relationship. We hear this when the singer says, Rudo rwangu newe harumboniwe chitatu muzvinagua. The guy's love for Grace is so much that his most cherished desire is Grace's love and affection. We get this from the phrase, Chinhu chimwe chete kagire ndipo rudo undipembedze. Grace's wonderful attributes haven't gone unnoticed by many other suitors who keep on trying their luck. The boy says, vanokuda vakawanda Gire, ndinozviona vanozviratidza nemeso. Meaning I can see it in their eyes that lots of guys love you, but am honored that out of the whole lot you chose me. If it wasn't for your love, you would have left me long time ago. In a sudden turn of events, the boy also says there are lots of girls that love him, but he has nothing to do with them because of his love for the lovely Grace. This song clearly shows that love is about committing to the one you are with. You can't be opening your eyes to others just because they are showing some affection to you. Love your own Grace unto death. Cheers.